to attempt to digitize this little bumblebee so I can make a keychain for a local church camp, Baptist encampment here in Texas, and they're having a ladies retreat in 2024 and they're looking for door prizes. So I thought it would be cool to embroider a couple of keychains that said like believe in Jesus. I have this bumblebee here and I have upgraded my Embrilliance to stitch level 2. So I have the ability now to design. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. And you can learn that with me. I just delete that for a second. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at his antennas. All right. Bezier tool, click here, click and drag, pull it out, and I am going to stop it. I'll right click to end it and duplicate it, Control C, Control V. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. This one. My question is, how do you move stuff? Yes! Okay, mouse tool. And then how do I flip it? So if I rotate it, however I do that, rotate. That works. Okay. I think. Oh, he's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna give it a try and embroidery it and see if it works. So, you know what I just now realized? I never saved it and I've been working on this for an hour. All right, let's embroider and see what we've got. Oh, where is it? I think this one actually might work. Perfect, but for my first from scratch digitizing, I'd say it's pretty darn good. I think it's adorable.